no blue crystals in there anymore because the atmosphere.
Oh!
Yeah, I think
It's a bit wet under there.
I think it's a bit magic. Try and look up it though, it's fucking stunning. What?
Oh, he's right, stop! Look at him!
The Alderley Edge mines, one of a handful of prehistoric mining sites in Britain. It is the oldest known metal mining site in England, with activity starting in the Bronze Age around 4,000 years ago. Underground mining activities took place for minerals such as copper, lead and cobalt. Working stopped here completely in 1926. Since the closure there have been at least 6 fatalities, including an explorer equipped with just matches who was later found deceased at the bottom of a 90-foot shaft. On this trip we were joined by our friend Mr. Dave Woolham, a DCC member who was taking us on the infamous Alderley boat trip from Engine Vane into Brinlow mine and then exiting many hours later via Wood mine.
The only one I did was that last one we did.
So when we go underground, I'll show you from underground.
What's sinking?
It was just open, so all this was basically a big open cut all the way up there. It was right the way to where the fence at the far end was all open, just dropped straight into Engine Vane. And they used to come, and there used to be a ring here, a ring on the wall there with a little sign. You used to tie quite often a washing line, tie your little washing line up, drop it in, and that's how you abbed in. And then they couldn't get out again on the washing line because it's not easy to have. There was on average, there was something like 3 rescues a weekend being done here, so.
Imagine dropping in on a fucking washing line.
And we've got the old shit here, so the bit there. Well again, up until, I don't even know, maybe 10 years ago, there was none of this fence around here or anything. Anyone could just walk and have a look around
There's
here.
definitely no safe in there.
Definitely not. Basically, we're doing up the old Barclays Bank in Alderley, and that just came off it in one of, well, as you see about the shit, I don't know whether it was liberated or donated. It is fucking.
It is definitely too warm
It's
for
like I was
jumping.
way overdressed, I'm telling you.
Oh, I'm so sorry, health and safety, sir.
Get that lid on.
So yeah, so like I was saying about the box, so you can't just get an angle grinder in to get it to the lock.
Yeah, I bet people have tried, haven't they?
Oh yeah. This one's less targeted. It's normally wood mine that gets targeted.
It's more out of the way, isn't it?
Probably because you have to climb a fence to get in here.
Yeah.
That's enough to deter most people away.
Oh,
Right. And we're in.
I remember the days of shoes running.
Oh yeah. My battery lights.
So we're in Engine Vane now, Dave?
We are, yeah. So here's the back wall. So
Liquid mix.
as we were looking at the big open bit a minute ago, at the far end there was the wall with the bricks up wall. That's that there. Oh, is that
Oh,
there?
yeah.
So yeah, so that's that. So that again wasn't the original way in because you would have been in a massive open bit where they used to come in was a bit further along. But they could just walk along.
Oh, you can just
the ledge.
about see the outside.
Oh yeah.
You just about see sunlight coming in.
I'll talk about the road in a bit, and obviously if I'm talking too much shit, you know I'm going into the mode, so just don't shut up, nothing
You say that's a Roman god?
Yeah, it's a Roman god for offerings. So basically,
I
you probably
remember
would have
you
left
telling
him.
us about this,
You probably would have left him small bits of lead here. You can't. It's hard to see now, but you can see the sort of eyes, and it would have just been the offering. I can't think of what god they called him, but yeah, they would have probably left bits of lead or some coins or something for it, just to keep him happy. It's a bit like toe, man.
I see it like that.
Good stoneware. That.
Can we leave him some minerals?
Yeah, it's not an ancient one though. Still mad. They're still older than any of us. Definitely.
Where did he find the coins?
So just at the end of this shaft.
The end of
So this is officially a Roman handpick level.
Oh, fucking.
You won't find it virtually anywhere else because it's hard to prove that it was actually Roman.
So where's this shaft?
Yeah. So they were digging down the shaft.
Yeah.
And then when they got to the bottom, they found a little stoneware bowl that, when it was broken open, was full of Roman coins, basically.
I remember reading on National Trust.
Yeah, that was 90.
So they found it here then?
Yeah, 95, I think.
Yeah. I always forget that we're walking underneath the seafloor.
Oh shit, oh, completely.
Yeah.
Is that what it is? This is all
Yeah,
seabed.
it was an ocean bed, yeah.
Oh, that's why it's pebbles.
Yeah.
In Normandy. shifted the...
I don't think this timber was here in the Roman times, Cam.
No, I don't think this one, did we? Oh my gosh.
I take it you're in the grotto?
Yes.
Kind of.
Okay, so it wouldn't have been like that when the miners were here.
Yeah.
This is, as I say, this is all what we call remineralisation.
Yeah.
So, whoa!
I've got some moist meat.
I've got a wet arse.
Don't walk the plough.
It's a weird stuff. There's some.
How have you split it up?
Mountain which has similar.
Have you cut this?
No, they've split.
When it dries, it will turn into this grey ash shit. So they've got one that they call the blue crystal grotto, and there's no blue crystals in there anymore because the absolute.
You see, halfway through the shaft, aren't you? Next time on. That's some of the best mineralisation I've seen in Derbyshire.
It's fucking incredible.
Oh, we're not in Derbyshire.
Oh, we're in Chester.
Oh, we're in Cheshire. Well, yeah, definitely.
We're in Cheshire.
That's the final look at that massive shaft. That's that one that we've repeatedly kept looking into.
Oh, walk past that one all the time.
£14 a night it works out at. I did have to say it was a DCC trip. Oh yes, can
The
you
boats
do
are
it
here.
right now? Thank fuck for that.
There's two.
Right.
Are you going to get the other boats and then tow them on your way back?
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Jesus. I might need to pass out for half an hour.
How was it towing them?
Fuck me. Yeah, no, we're looking to try and sort something new out.
Do you want a push?
Yeah, the water level's slightly lower. Doesn't make any difference except up to the first little collapse. Thank you, sir. The new is much easier to manoeuvre.
Come on, mush, you're in way.
There is a collapse. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, he's going to capsize.
You're going to capsize and you spin around, you big heavy self.
No, I'm chilled then. He's escaping us.
I will get away.
Is he pulling us?
Oh, we should have tied rope on it so we
have done that before.
Are you sure this can't capsize? Because I'm going right side to side.
You're better off being lower in the bottom cap so you can stay balanced as well.
Yeah, don't tell me that.
Right, I'm lower.
That's better.
Oh. No, don't cap.
How you doing in the? How you doing in there, Jacob?
They are fun, but when you've just done it once and then have to drag it, push it back with a canoe, it's too much. The old arms are getting tired.
touching floor.
So why is this now flooded? Was this driven through wood mine?
Touching floor.
Yeah, it goes all the way, doesn't it? So
Was
it's
this
always-
purposely used as a sub-level?
No, it was never really a suck. It was just to do with the change of shit like collapses.
No, it's just diverted this way.
It just ended. This used to be a series of 7 sons to get through.
Oh, do we have to get out now?
Yeah, needs dragging.
Back afloat, Samuel. Although we're not. I know we're back on the deck here, a little bit Right, this feels like it's getting a bit deeper now. Oh yeah, it's getting deeper.
There it is, yeah. Just probably need to drag it, not without the boat, just need to force it for a second and we'll go again, there you go.
I'm in.
Hey up. Lie central, Sam. You're making us lean to the side.
leaning us.
Am I?
Yeah, you're.
Oh, I'm in middle.
Oh, you're waiting long.
You're not, you're on the right hand side, Sam. Now you're more on the right hand side.
I'm in the middle.
You're not in the middle.
You're not.
Am I not? No.
You're trapped to one side.
There you go, now you're in the middle. Look how much we're flowing now. My arse is so wet now. Here we're coming, Jacob. We're going, now we're going to crash. It's an almighty crunch. Oh no. This is astounding.
It's
There's a nice waterfall bit with.
I was just going to say, it's when you get to the waterfall. Oh, it's not one of
Come on,
them.
Jake. Come on, Jake. Right now, you overtake you.
The bathtubs are great, but they're not quite as aerodynamic. Oh God.
How you finding your first boat journey, Callum?
I enjoyed it, mate. I went on a Jake and Red Rake.
It's a race you won.
They will tip it over. I've done this hundreds of times. I've never been in the water, so.
Okay, I'm picking up some speed here.
Because we've got Cam's long arms, actually.
15 nautical miles. Oh, mate, actually, look at them arms. You're able to reach each side of the wall.
You're jumping straight to sea, Samuel.
I've got no.
Oh, I'm going to overtake you.
Oh no! I'm in water!
I'll keep us to the rate, boys, don't you worry.
No, I'm in water!
Oh
Oh!
No.
Jake, fucking move, you cunt. Jake, I'm getting fucking soaked, you nonce. You alright? I'll get you in the video.
I'm alright, I'm right on the back. We have been evil, lots of people.
I'm getting fucking dreadful.
Where are you, video? I pushed you back, Sam, you're alright. Sam, you're back on the side again.
I'm leaving it. What are you doing? You're getting maximum speed?
Next velocity.
Let's go.
Ready to catch, Jake?
Ready, set, go. Look at them arms working. Them long arms there. Fucking, I was getting a bit low here, mate.
Yeah, this is where it starts to get low, so you probably have to sit in the bottom of the boat soon.
It's going to be hard for a tall boy like you.
It gets even lower. It literally gets where you've always got to have your head level with the rim of the boat. Really? Just lay down. Yeah, that's why I say you have to kneel in the floor.
Oh yeah, it's getting low.
Yeah, now it's got.
It's alright, because I can still be the Silver Surfer.
Wait till the corner's the real bit.
What?
Oh, he's right, stop! He's just been rammed through.
Oh my God, I don't miss him now.
So when this is up to where the black levels, you can't get through it.
Right. But it's just incredible. It's even tighter than this. You, as I say, you pretty much have to have your head level with the boat. Oh, really?
Oh, the end is here. The end is nigh.
And now we've reached the final curtain.
So where does this...
You can't see it, but there's another boat under the water below us there. Yeah, just on the corner as we go round.
A sunk one.
Like, yeah, just exactly the same as that old, you know, the one at the beginning. Just be careful here, because it's 7 to 20 shaft we're above now.
Where's this brought us out now?
On the right hand side of us, we're right over a shaft now. 20 metres deep. About 20 metres deep. Then it's a cross cut.
Go on, I'm supporting the boat.
So where's this bring us out now, Dave? This
Now
mine
we're-
now?
This is Bryn now, we're at Bryn.
Oh right, yeah, because we went in Brinlow, but I'm not sure how much of it we saw last time.
Begun to break down now, and that's why it's gone soft again.
Can you not take it up to the top and preserve it?
It'd be fucked once it goes dry. The air temperature just make it fall to pieces. So we have got, or we did have one like a copy of one that Nigel had made, which was just essentially a bowler hat that he'd resined and then put a thing on.
Where's that water coming from?
What's that? That's the rest of the boat trip. So we keep the level in the boat trip.
Yes.
We keep the boat trip.
It'd be a bad day doing the boat trip with no water.
That's an overflow pipe.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's on the sea.
It's 5 X, so it tends to be like shale land. Well, you can crack those open and they will have.
You can ride it, you know.
I'm going to ride it then.
You have to lie flat in it though, don't you? It was it was one. This is what they were using to dig this level. Again, it's one made by the Caving Club. Give them a push.
Wait there, I'll get a video.
Oh, do I have to give him a push?
Just give him a push to get him started.
How'd you do that?
He stopped just up there though.
Could you see the end?
Yeah.
He used to go into a collapse.
No, they can see the end of it now. They can see about that much after him.
Oh, right, maybe go down and have a look. Maybe someone's cleaned it out.
How'd you lie in that?
Easily.
Hurt my ribs.
You got to put. It does hurt. It does hurt.
That chair helped. Oh god, it still hurts though.
You need to get your cock on the end of there, sir.
No, I've got...
Samuel, watch this. Watch. Boyo, watch. Move.
Go, do it again.
Move.
You don't really understand the meaning of move.
Climb around me. I'll give you a push.
You see, it tends to stop itself.
Crocodiles.
The water was up to here.
Where's the boat? The boat was here.
It is, it's round
Just
here.
watch out, mate. There's crocs here.
Oh, you can just see, if you look there, there's a cup.
Yeah.
So I found that cup, so near there is where the purple is, but it's still underwater, unfortunately.
Where does this connect to the, does this connect to Brinlow Sub?
No, this is the one bit.
Oh, it's deep!
It gets well deep, well quick.
It's
there, who's got the big torch? There you go. So there, can you see there's a timber going across?
Yeah.
That's an underwater level, there's a fucking shaft there, and that's where that kid drowned.
Oh, so he drowned in here.
Last state of the last.
Did you not hear about that?
That was the last
Really?
fatality in Alderley Mines. It was a scout trip in the they took some scout trip in the early 80s, and at that time they didn't have a back marker, and they basically, two of the kids decided to fuck off at the back of the trip and went off wandering on the road, came to here, went paddling. One of them basically disappeared down that shaft. As he's trying to come back up, there's an underwater ledge, and he's obviously got stuck under the ledge, and his mate just fucking ran off. Got back to the group and just followed the group, and then as they got to the door on the way out, they do a countdown, and they found out that this kid was the one missing. So that was when the kid confessed. So by the time they got back here, this guy had been in the water for half an hour, so he was dead. If, when the kid had gone back and caught up with the trip, if he'd have said that his mate had disappeared in there, they'd probably saved him.
So if that kid piped up a bit closer...
Yeah. The purple's what?
The purple bit's here.
Have you seen it? There's pictures of it. Is it still there?
Yeah, I see it. It's there. Look by Jake. It's in the
Oh yeah, brilliant.
You've muddied the water, I can't see. Jesus, freezing. What's the purple mineral called? Dave, what's purple mineral called?
Peacock ore.
Peacock ore. And you only find it here?
Actually, no one place in this entire mine where we find it. You do get it other places. But
Alright, but in here, this is the only bit.
It's cold as water, isn't it?
I know, it's freezing.
I'm just getting it
I
on.
didn't expect it to be this cold.
Oh my god, you just see me through now.
yeah, because you generally, I'm not kidding you, you can't get out now because you are over that shaft.
Yeah, don't fall down that shaft.
We may as well get a picture. Come on. Smile for the camera.
You really didn't want to go out there.
If you look down now though, you are above that shaft.
I'm alright, sir.
He's got the balance, he's fine, it's just getting the balance on it. It's just because he sits so high up.
Oh, give us a little paddle, have you? Baby's
Look
paddle.
left. Cameron. Look left.
Oh, that's brilliant. I love it. Problem is we've messed up the water now, haven't we?
Yeah, it looks shit now for pictures.
Sorry, mate.
It's all clear. Really.
I don't like how you pushed me out there then.
Hey, you got good pictures, though.
Yeah, it was worth it for the pictures.
Oh, I was
going to pull you back in.
I was going to pull you back in then. Put your paddle away. Put your paddle away, I'll bring you in.
No, I'll come in on my own, thank you.
I'll pull you in.
No, I can manage, Sam. Sam, fuck off. I can manage. Sam. Samuel.
It's like he's going out again now. He's not
Right.
trusting anyone anymore.
I was just going to bring you in. We want to be all funny about it, doesn't he?
Doesn't trust anyone.
You can't come to the Wiggly Worm past the Wiggly Worm.
Not unless you.
Unless you can't be bothered.
Before, yeah.
Right, it's time Jake and then time me. Let me just take my phone.
Do you want me to tell you what the record is?
What is the record?
17 seconds.
What? Yeah, I'm a bit.
Right, Jake, going for a record-breaking lap of the Wiggly Worm. I'll count you down. Are you ready to crawl?
Yes, sir.
Right. 3, 2, 1, wiggle. What's the record? 17 seconds. Cameron, you can get a practice lap in if you want. Right.
You don't need looms.
Hold on, Cameron, hold on.
When you get to the end,
We're going for a record-breaking lap of the Wiggly Worm. 3, 2, 1, wiggle. Jake, you shout when he's out, because I'm over here.
I'll let you know when his last foot's out.
That is insane.
Just hear him
gonna
bosh
beat it,
around. Come on, Cameron, faster!
Come on. You got 10 seconds. 11.
Come on, keep going.
Come on.
Shave some seconds. Wiggle. Wiggle.
Oh.
He's out.
You did. It was 17, like we were delayed.
I don't know. I stopped it when his legs were out.
Yeah, sorry.
So your legs were out of. Your legs swung over that rock there as I stopped it.
Fuck me.
At 17:56.
I've knocked a second off that. It's just under 17 seconds.
Well done.
I mean, to
All
be
right.
honest, this trip's best when you go the other way, but.
Fuck's sake.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, this because people kept coming and like fucking rubbing it, and it does destroy it basically.
Yeah, it doesn't take much, does it?
Yeah. Us and your finger over time destroy it. So.
Oh, you got a little sign there, aren't you? Please do not touch.
But say the last.
How long does it take to form? Because you said before you've seen stuff that wasn't there 2 years ago.
Yeah, it doesn't. To be honest, as long as the water's flowing through and there's enough copper, this stuff doesn't actually take that long to
Just a
form.
few years.
Yeah, but to get as rich as it is in the middle, where it's really dark, because it's like it's a gradual build-up thing. So
Yeah, that's really dark in the middle, isn't it?
so again, we're just on malachite. This one's mostly malachite, which is why it's
Yeah.
green.
What's the difference between malachite and azurite?
One's blue and
both-
one's green.
They're both copper ores, but they're just slightly different consistencies of copper ore, so you get a slightly different colour. And that peacock purple stuff, it's just a mixture of the two. So
Fucking pig.
that was me. Sorry. And then this one's a bit different to all the others. We've got calcite in this one as well.
Oh, this is even lighter.
So look at that. So
Is that frost?
that's got so that's the white calcite. And what happens is there's a small little indentation
Oh, I
up
remember
there,
this
so the
bit from
water
last
slowly
trip.
builds up and then it begins to come over in little pulses.
I can see the waves.
Yeah.
As it waves down.
Yeah, and
waves
then
down.
eventually the level drops again and it has to build up a little bit. It's beautiful, that one.
Look at him down there getting pictures of it.
Well, that's an ace picture, that is.
Down there of him.
Yeah, like.
Come on, Jacob.
This is where yeah, this is a 65R. My other one that I had on earlier was a 70R, which is the best. The 70R is the best power
Why does
one.
he keep doing things at the perfect
These are a
time?
little bit cheaper, but they're still good ones, so.
Have you got another one of him making a funny noise? Let's have a look.
You can't see him. He's just looking. I'm videoing this, and he's just like.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's from the blood of an Englishman.
The way you look down the hole.
It's like you come from down there. Oh yeah, back where we started.
Is this like a Halloween walk or something?
We do spooky Halloween tours as well, yeah. So that's just survived from the spooky tours.
Oh no, there's a bat. Quick, shut the mine.
Terrible.
This is one of the birds they used to send for bad air.
It's really all they do. Well,
Used to come down with Tweety.
You'd get that budgie. If you didn't come back, you weren't coming back tweeting.
we've got the.
Like you did, like, look, there was bad air in here at one point, he's dead.
Oh yeah, well that's, to be honest, that's why that one stays there, because that's the canary. Oh yeah.
Oh, canary, I thought it was
Yeah.
budgies.
Yeah, it's canaries, yeah.
Is that timber there last time?
Probably that.
Oh mate, if
Yeah,
we
yeah,
came in here on our own, we'd be
That's
fucked.
the bridge over to San Cabin, that.
Yeah, 100%.
What, the sandcastles?
San Cabin, no, that's in West Bank. That's San
Yeah, yeah,
Cabin,
yeah.
you know where the practice pitch is.
Yeah.
That's that way there.
No tire kickers.
Has she got wind?
Oh, it's easy to navigate here.
It's old.
It'll take me that long.
It's not fucking easy navigating here, mate.
Someone's going on red frame with it. Oh, this is beautiful. Huge. Lovely.
Look at the brickwork. Look at this art.
That's what I was looking at.
Oh, I thought you were looking at the ladder.
No, I was looking at the brickwork. What the hell is going on here?
What's mine?
We're out. We're free.
No, there's a shaft up here he comes out of. We'll lock him so we can't get out.
We've got quite dirty.
I need to wash my hands with my pants.
Sam, how come which one of me crawls are you putting through? The minute and a half? Or a
The
minute
fastest
40?
one, of course.
Huh?
The fastest one.
Of course. Which one was that?
Second lap, I think. So we should be emerging from this shaft.
No, I just nearly dropped the lacquer. You stood on it, you bastard.
You are?
You stood on it, you cheeky bastard.
Nobody.
Oh, something wrong with the lid, I think.
Something wrong.
There's a malfunction.
Oh, it's alright then, I'll leave you to it if you know the way out.
I do.
Oh, do now.
We do now. We're out.
It's easy. No, I mean out through the woods.
Yeah, I know the way. I've been this path many a time.
Not as heavy as a cow anyway.
Had a cow on it.
On fucking field shaft, so you know the one where the little truck is.
Is that why you put a fence around it?
Shift that generally where
Oh, we had a cow on top
there
of
was
the
a
lid.
bit, my pal went up, so you got the top. When they
not
originally
ideal.
did it, they put the ladder too short, so they had to put these fucking staple rings in. And my pal went up and he's going, Dave, I fucking can't, it was fucking jammed. It's fucking jammed, you have to come up. So we're both at the top of this fucking ladder, hanging on, trying to fucking, and it would not fucking, the sun said, fucking threw his thing open and there's fucking just like about 10 cows all stood there like.
shits down the fucking
Oh,
hole.
God.
Oh, man, the cow pot on your face.
Oh, no! Oh shit, that's why.